Tired of waking up to your own snore track? Here are 3 simple fixes. Tip 1. Sleep on your side. Back sleeping lets your tongue flop back and block your airway. Side sleeping keeps the path open. Tip 2. Keep your nose clear. A saline spray, a nasal strip, a humidifier. These can make breathing smoother and reduce snore volume. Tip 3. Skip alcohol before bed. Booze relaxes throat muscles. It can turn a gentle snore into a full-on chorus. Quick heads up. If snoring's loud or nightly, or you wake up gasping, talk to a doctor. It might be sleep apnea. Like, comment, subscribe for more quick health hacks.